I'm adding butter to it. I love butter in my porridge. So I'm just adding some butter. I don't have cinnamon sticks. So I'm just using the powder. What are you saying? I'm using what's the microphone system? What's the name of it? I have it on my Amazon storefront. All right, so if you go to my actual profile here on YouTube, you'll see the link to my Amazon storefront. I think I do have it listed there, but I'll send it to you also, okay? It has a really good sound. Oh, thank you. Or when I'm done, I can actually look it up. Babe, can you go in Amazon and look up the name? I'll send you the link. I'll send it in the group when I'm done. But it's really good. Well, for some reason, I think I'm going to enjoy this porridge. I really do think I'm going to enjoy this porridge. Never mind, babe. Hmm? I'm just adding my nutmeg. I like to add it while it's being cooked so it has the extra flavor and not after. And I'm adding my cinnamon as well. And I'm gonna let this cook. Vanilla. As I said, the measurement and everything is in the description. So I add some while it's being cooked, and also when it's done and I'm sweetening it, I'll add. All right, I'm gonna let this cook. It has everything it needs. So now we're gonna chit chat a little bit while it's being cooked, because it's gonna take a little bit. Is it in my storefront? Let me see. It should be there. I'm gonna add the microphone to my storefront. Though I think it's there. Let me look for it and just add it there so you can see it. Let's see. List. So how are you doing? How are you doing, Nicole? It should be under content creation. Let's see.
Alexa, turn off TV.
Okay. Oh, I actually didn't add it to content creation. The others are there, but why did I not have the microphone? Let me add it right now. I've ordered so many things off Amazon recently. I've been out here shopping, I'm telling you. With a baby and YouTube, some good stuff. Okay, I just added it and also added the light that I use, which I'm currently not using, but I added that to content creation. Yes, so it's in the content creation folder in my storefront. And yeah, that's done. Let me know if you're seeing it. Oh, awesome. I'm happy for you. That's good news. That's great news, girl. That's great news. So, is it watch time or subscribers? You're welcome. Watch time? I don't know if I'm